Central excise duty or excise duty is an indirect tax on excisable goods levied by the central government. The laws governing this tax framework are governed by the Central Excise Act, which defines the terms excisable goods, dealer and importer. Dealers in excisable goods pass on the input credit on excisable goods to the subsequent manufacturer who is eligible to avail CENVAT credit. In this process of passing on the CENVAT credit, dealers in excisable goods are required to maintain complete details of purchases and sales of excisable goods. To help in this daunting task, Tally ERP9 offers another easy-to-use feature, Excise for Dealers. Using Tally ERP9, dealers in excisable goods can track the complete excise duty passed on in a manner that every sale of excisable goods can be traced to its origin. You can view various reports on excisable goods and print the completed Form 2 to file your quarterly returns. Enabling Tally ERP9 to handle all your excisable goods transactions is a simple and one-time exercise. You enter your excise registration number and other relevant details which can be printed in the sales invoice of excisable goods and in the quarterly return forms. Passing on the details of the supplier and the manufacturer for existing stock of excisable goods is not a hard task. You can just pass an opening stock entry for these goods in an opening stock voucher type. This entry does not affect your accounts or inventory. It updates the details regarding the source of the stock item. The transactions for purchase and sale of excisable goods are recorded using excise-enabled purchase and sale voucher type and are allocated to respective purchase excise and sale excise ledger accounts. The excise voucher type enables you to capture supplier and manufacturer details based on the nature of purchase in a purchase transaction. These purchase entries are listed for selection in the sales invoice for each stock item. This selection list is filtered based on the nature of purchase. The excise dealer print copy of a sales invoice displays all the details of the input credit with complete details of the supplier and the manufacturer for the stock item sold along with excise duty passed on. You can also print the sales invoice as a commercial invoice with just a click of a button. In Tally ERP9, you can instantly generate the excise stock register, which gives you a detailed history of each stock item with the nature of purchase and duty passed with every sale. The excise purchase bill register gives the summary of each purchase with specific details of different stock items. You can also print Form 2 to file your quarterly returns. By default, all the sales transactions are listed in this form with the name of the stock item having the highest duty passed on in each sales transaction and the corresponding purchases of the stock item. Form RG23D displays the duty paid for each stock item on every purchase and duty transferred on every sale. It also displays duty not passed on and details of non-excise sale.